The Autonomy sit-stand desk arrives in two boxes, one containing the frame and one containing the desktop. Carefully cut away the cardboard to open the package. Use the 8mm M8 bolts to fix the leg to the top bar. Next, use 8mm M8 bolts and an Allen key to attach the leg frame to the centre bars. Repeat for the other side. Then attach the foot to the leg using 25mm M8 bolts and an Allen key. Repeat for the other side. Flip over the frame. With 4 crosshead bolts, screw the silver box, which is the regulator, to the frame. Now flip the desk upside down again to continue assembly. Loosen the grub screws. Then centre the legs to the middle of the desktop and pull them to the edges, leaving a 5 to 10mm gap. Use 8 25mm self-tapping screws to secure the frame to the desktop. If your desktop has pre-drilled inserts, please ignore them. It's because the top can be used in multiple ranges. So ignore the inserts and drill straight into the top. It's easier to use a drill, but if you don't have one, you can use a screwdriver. Retighten the grub screws. Next, place 4 stickies on the bottom of the desktop. Then pull cable ties through the stickies and plug in the cables. Plug the controller into the silver box and place it flush against the desk edge. Then screw into place. Place the cables in the cable ties and tighten. Trim the ends with scissors or pliers, then plug the power cable into the regulator. Move the cable to the side and flip the table onto its feet. Slide the desk into position, plug in, turn on and remove the cardboard. Congratulations! Your Autonomy sit-stand desk is ready to use.